All right, guys, you seen the title and the thumbnail, and we got soup on the menu again today because we love some soup, and we're gonna prepare that baby in our Basting 5-in-1 multi-functional slow cooker. Guys, I'm gonna leave a link to that baby in the video description. You wanna check it out. So today, we're gonna put a twist on that jambalaya recipe, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make jambalaya soup. Yep. Get in the kitchen, let's go. All right, guys, let's go over our ingredients real quick. Back here, we have our boneless chicken thighs right here. I cut them in bite-sized pieces. We got some andouille sausage here, roasted diced tomatoes here, some chicken broth, celery and bell pepper, oregano and thyme, seasoned salt and pepper, bay leaves, onions, chopped garlic, Cajun seasoning. We have our rice here and some vegetable oil. Now, guys, all these ingredients can be found on my website, ijustcookalot.com or allwingseverything.com. Link is in the video description below. Check it out, guys. You don't have to send me a comment asking me what a recipe at. It's in the video description, all right? Let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so today we're gonna use our Basting 5-in-1 multifunctional slow cooker. Again, man, I'm telling you, I love this thing because you can do everything in it from sear, soup, slow cook, right here. And we're gonna do everything in this pot right here. So, guys, I'm gonna leave a link in the video description for this one right here. Man, listen, y'all want this one here, all right? So we're gonna go down here and we're gonna put this baby on sear and saute. We'll get it started up. We're gonna heat half of our vegetable oil. We're gonna let that come up to temperature. All right, guys, once that pan heats up, we're gonna add our sausage. And we're gonna cook this until they're brown. All right, guys, so it looks like we are good right here. Our sausage are brown like we want them. We're gonna go ahead and remove them, set them aside. We're gonna heat the remaining of our vegetable oil. Now we're gonna add our chicken. We're gonna hit that with a little seasoned salt and a little pepper. And we're gonna sear these until they're cooked all the way through. All right, guys, so once we got our chicken cooked, we're gonna go back in with our sausage. We're gonna add our onions, our green peppers, and our celery. And we're gonna cook this for about 6 to 7 minutes, allowing those veggies to soften and to absorb all that flavor from the chicken and the sausage. All right, so now, after that 7 minutes, we're gonna add our garlic, and we're gonna stir this in for an additional minute or so. Let that garlic release that aroma. All right, after that minute, we're gonna go in with our Cajun seasoning, thyme and oregano, seasoned salt and black pepper. And we're gonna get this mixed in for an additional 45 seconds and allow those seasonings to do their thing. You gotta let these seasonings do their thing. This baby's already smelling good. All right, guys, after that 45 seconds, we're gonna start going in with our rice. Now make sure you rinse your rice before you add it here to remove all that starch. Next, we're gonna go in with our chicken broth. Our fire roasted tomatoes. I'm gonna dash this with a little Tabasco sauce. That's optional. We'll give this a quick mix. Next, we're gonna place our bay leaves here on top, and we're gonna bring this mixture to a boil. Once our soup starts to boil, we're gonna cover that baby up. We're gonna come down here. We're gonna cancel the saute sear function, go over here to soup, and we're going to change our temperature, our time to 30 minutes, all right? And we're gonna cook that until the rice is tender and has absorbed all those delicious flavor. All right, so it looks like we're good. Gonna cancel our operations to pull our top off. Man, take a look at that. We're gonna immediately get rid of those bay leaves. We don't need those babies anymore. Gonna give us a quick stir. Make sure that rice is tender. Oh man, look at that rice. That's what we're talking about right there. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna head over to our cutting board, take our final look, get it plated up into quality control. All right, so now we're at our cutting board. We're just gonna add some final touches to it. You can either add some green onions or some green parsley or some fresh parsley. Doesn't matter, long as there's some of that green stuff. I don't have any parsley right now. I'm just gonna add some green onions because I had that on deck. Man, that looks absolutely beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And there you have it, guys, jambalaya soup. Let me know what you think about this in the comments section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control so we can do a quick taste test, all right? Let's go. All right, guys, it's quality control time. We're gonna bring these groceries to the front of the congregation, man. Take a look at these groceries. Ooh, man, ooh, groceries. All right, let's go ahead. This baby hot too. Oh man. Oh man. This baby's so ricey, sausagey, chickeny. Let's not forget soupy. Oh man. And I'm a fan of jambalaya. So this right here is right on the spot, I'm telling you. Oh man, and it's gonna warm that body in the wintertime. So guys, y'all already know I am. All wings, everything. Remember, I'm not chef. I'm just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace. Jambalaya.